How to enable Wi-Fi hotspot in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can enable Wi-Fi hotspot on Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up settings in your device. Under settings, navigate to the network and internet. Under this, there is an option for hotspot and tethering. You have to tap on it. Once you land on this page, make sure to tap on Wi-Fi hotspot and connect this Wi-Fi hotspot in your mobile device. Once you have turned on the toggle for Wi-Fi hotspot, now you have to configure your hotspot setting. Under that, you can see your hotspot name along with your QR code. There is hotspot password that you can share. Make sure you enter a strong password to secure your hotspot. And once activated, other devices can connect to your hotspot by selecting your network and entering the password that you have set. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.